Hi, I'm Agile Bob, and welcome to Wednesday Wisdom. No, I haven't been elected President of the United States, but today's Wednesday Wisdom comes from a former President of the United States, Dwight Eisenhower to be exact. In my classes, I'm often asked, how should I manage my time? Where should I spend my time? And so I go back to something that I learned a long time ago called the Eisenhower Matrix. Let me show you how it works. Before he was President Eisenhower, he was five-star General Eisenhower. Both positions require a tremendous amount of time management in order to be effective. One of the things attributed to him is the Eisenhower Matrix for time management. It's based on a very simple concept. Let's optimize our use of time based on how important something is and how urgent it is. The matrix looks like this. You can see it's broken into 4 quadrants. In the lower left quadrant are things that are not important and not urgent. And those are things President Eisenhower would delete. No one cares about them, so don't bother doing them. In the lower right quadrant are things that are not important, but they are urgent. So President Eisenhower would try to delegate those things. He would decide who can do it besides him. In the upper right, things that are important and urgent. President Eisenhower would do those because those need to be done now. And in the upper left is an interesting quadrant where it's important but not urgent. So President Eisenhower called this the decide quadrant, and he would schedule that work and be strategic about it. As you can see by the color coding, we want to avoid the lower left quadrant. There's no sense doing anything in that quadrant. But we have to be very careful about the other quadrants. Where you want to spend your most time is actually in the upper left quadrant, the decide quadrant. That's where we can be proactive and strategic. The upper right quadrant is reactive and tyranny of the urgent reigns. So try to allocate your time to schedule things more strategically for the future and do them when it makes the most sense. If you like this video, press the like button. If you want more content like this, press subscribe. Leave a comment and I'll respond to you. Until next time, this is Agile Bob signing off.